Hi everyone, in this video I will be looking at the fidgets that I got in this little bag. I don't know how many I got here, so we'll just have to see. I've peeked at some of these because I was too anxious for it. I really wanted to see these. I couldn't resist. So I've got this squishy ball. I wanted silent fidget toys. I made a request of having silent ones because I want to use these while watching TV and I don't want to annoy anyone. Ooh, it's got a little face on it. Oh, it's so cute. It's very squishy and rubbery and stuff. So this one will definitely have to go into like a little Ziploc bag because I can already tell it's the kind of one that will collect hair, dust, and other things. So on those ones, I usually keep them in little Ziploc bags. Ooh, we got a larger noodle one this time. Stretchy. And it's lime green. And same thing, just orange. And it's a neon orange. Let's see. This guy. Ooh, he looks like a finger puppet. I think it is supposed to be a finger puppet. And it's squishy like the blue one. It's like a little fairy thing? Fairy alien type thing. I wonder if it glows in the dark. I mean, I don't think it would. Just like when it's got color like that, I don't know. Like it is a mint green and most glow in the dark things are that color or clear. And we got another guy. Looks like a dog or a pig. Or maybe a hybrid of the both. Another squishy. Oh, I like the squishiness. It's very jelly and squishy. It barely fits. I don't know if it's supposed to be a finger puppet. But it does got a little, like, thing there, so I wasn't sure. I'm trying to be careful so that this doesn't get taken out of context. Alright. Sorry I paused because my sister was coming out of her room. I wasn't sure if I was gonna have to pause the video there. Oh, I got these things. Got 5 different ones. Oh. These things. Where you push the marble back and forth. I've got multiple of these, so I don't have to worry about losing them or forgetting them or, you know, siblings stealing them. She's gone. She went upstairs. And there's another squishy one. What's this one? It looks like one of those cats that does this. That you would see at like certain restaurants. Again, squishy. Stretchy. Ah. Another rubbery squishy one. Oh, and we got a little dinosaur one, I think this is. I think this is a dinosaur. Okay, where is the little sheet there? Another one that, these ones are all, wait. This is not a dinosaur, it's a porcupine-like thing. Or a hedgehog. So it's got the spines on the back there. It's got a little face. Ooh, cute. And yes, it's silent, which is good. So what I was wanting. Here's this guy. What the heck is this thing? What the? Looks like it's something wearing something else. Like, I have no idea what this is. This is a very lime, sort of neon green. Yeah, it's like, it almost looks like a caterpillar wearing a fox costume. To me. I don't know what it is supposed to be. There. Stretchy. This one, I've seen people review it and I really want to try it out. I didn't even say anything about this one. I didn't like request that I had this one. I don't remember, but I didn't like make any requests. I made requests for the one with the marble and the mesh tube, but this one I didn't make any requests on, so there we go. And you just keep twirling it. Ooh, this is gonna be so much fun. I've seen people review this, and like a lot of people say that this is one of their favorites. Yes, this is gonna be one of my favorites. I like twirling. Like when I fidget, I do a lot of twirling. And we got a Fidget Cube, although it looks like it would be the size of one of those like things that look like game controllers, but they're like fidget game controllers almost. You know, if you've watched a lot of fidget review videos, I think you know what I'm talking about. It is that! I thought it said cube on it. Yes! Okay. Oh, the Switch one is my favorite. I misplaced my actual Fidget Cube. Okay, so this one's like a pen top. That's pretty noisy, so won't be able to use that one when I'm watching TV. This one, you can... Oh, that's for the fidget spinner part of it. Okay, and there's... Man, these are hard to move. These little, these things here. And then we got the rolly ball. I could find myself doing that. We got all these buttons that make noise when you click them. And then you got the one that's like a worry stone. There. I think that's all that's on here. Ooh, very excited. Oops, I put that in the wrong way. Ooh, and these snake ones. I really like these kinds of stuff. I got two. Sweet. So I got a green and a sort of purplish pink one. Like that. And I got a orange and baby blue one. My sister's sneaking behind me. These ones are good. They don't need like any like Ziploc bags to be put in, you know, to keep them from collecting hair and stuff. So they're good. And I mean, you can put them together, but I don't want to do that. And this one, I've heard about this one. I've had this one at like churches before, and you have to make the ball. You have to match that orange one to that orange one. So. Okay. Okay, there's two different green ones. There's a lime green and there's a almost tree green. Let's see. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. I like the puzzle ones for when I'm fidgeting because I'm bored, so I'm happy about that one. Yes. So, for the last one, my dad just told me, so I had to stop it. I got another infinity cube. This one isn't like a maraca like the last one I got, which I'm happy about. But I had one before that I got from the dollar store, and it's like a lot larger, and it's got like a 2-in-1 kind of thing. I'll grab it and show you guys that in just a minute. Be back. This one I got from the dollar store. It was like called a magic cube, the way they did it. So it is like an infinity cube, but it's a 2-in-1. So basically, what you can do, I don't know if you saw it, take it apart, and then this part is also like an infinity cube kind of thing, except it's got star, you know. And sometimes it's a little sharp, the points, but I prefer to do it the infinity cube way because it seems kind of cheap this way. It feels like cheaper quality when it's just the star one. But I like to keep this one in my purse because I can share it with people when I'm taking it out. So. And it fits together. I just gotta remember how to do that. Like that. So. Got the infinity cube there. So, hope you enjoyed me reviewing all the fidget toys I got this year. And with my last one that I did, I realized in the maze one, the ball and the maze were not good size-wise, so I can't get the ball to go through the gate kind of thing because that space was too small for the ball to go through. So that was the only one that didn't actually end up working. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with what I got for fidget toys and everything. So, next time I'll be unboxing something like either... I have two things I'm going to be unboxing next, which are a ottoman-like thing. And I got that because I was using like a beanbag style thing, and with that your feet sink, so that's not fun. So I got like an actual one, and I also have a floor lamp that I will be unboxing in a later video as well. So make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and always remember to stay happy.